Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Cash App payments declining error. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there's actually a number of reasons why you are receiving this error here. So one of them is insufficient funds. One of the primary reasons transactions fail is when there isn't enough money in your Cash App balance or linked bank account. Ensure you have sufficient funds available to cover the transaction amount. Now, another reason is incorrect card details. When using debit or credit card on Cash App, verify that all card information entered is correct. Mistakes in the card number, expiration date, CVV code, or billing address can lead to declined payments. Another reason is going to be outdated personal information. Always keep your Cash App account details like name, address, and phone number current. Outdated or inaccurate information may cause transactions to be declined. Now, also, fraud prevention measures. Cash App places high importance on security. If suspicious activity is detected on your account, transactions may be declined as a precaution. Promptly respond to any notification from Cash App regarding unrecognized transactions to confirm or report potential fraud. And finally, merchant policies. Now, certain merchants may not accept payments through Cash App or may have specific restrictions in place. If you encounter payment declines with a particular merchant, it could be due to their policies regarding payment methods. And that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.